You guys are the raras of the food industry. You make the decisions, you prepare the food, you are the influencers, you are important people, hence why you were invited to today's auspicious occasion. You are important, guys. Please give yourselves a huge round of applause, okay?
We are Unilever Food Solutions, here to support, inspire and progress. We are looking to how do we support, how do we inspire and how do we grow the industry? Because if your business is growing, we are growing as well. And that's where our focus actually is. So when we talk about global, we're talking about sharing trends, taking best practice and doing what's best for the business and in the market as a whole. But operating across the globe is what we do. And we do it with our famous brands like Knorr, Hellmann's, Robertson's and Carte d'Or, as well as the vegetarian butcher, which is fairly new to our stable as well.
So we'll get familiar as we move around. You'll go into a certain station and then you'll get an explanation. The chefs will explain themselves and you'll have a beautiful taste as well.
Now you ask yourself, how do you change the world? It is really one step at a time, one chef at a time.
I look at all the faces and all the restaurants and establishments that are represented today, and I want you to know that from my marketing commitment, from Kevin's leadership for the business, we're all about leading you, inspiring you, and helping you to progress in your business. And that leaves nobody behind. It is all for us to keep on moving.
Share with everybody that you were at Unilever head offices, because today was nothing short of amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for making the time to be with us.
I think this actually talks to what it is that we need to do as chefs. And it talks to us changing our mindset and a lot of things. And it talks about, how do we utilize each and every ingredient and make sure that we don't throw anything away.
All those sort of characters that were on the bottom of the shelf, sort of left unlooked at, are now being celebrated out there.
I think it's an incredible solution to challenges that we might have in the industry. It gives us an opportunity to think a little bit differently. Already specced out, there's recipes for us to have a look at, but more importantly, it gives us an opportunity to understand our guests and what our guests are looking for.